There was a time Aba was known as Abaditi, but the reverse is the case at the moment. The whole of area Force Road, Enyimba Mbakasi was smelling like in Kapi. Port Harcourt Road was zero. Uboya Ngwa Road, Ohankwa, Nish. Oh, those that come to Aba from River State to buy goods can confirm this. The whole stretch of Aba Port Harcourt Road Express was nothing to write home about. It was smelling terribly. Oh, the sushi, chai. Aba is now safe, healthy, and clean. The latest info from Governor Alex Oti is that Aba would be generating renewable energy from its wastes. Hell, Chineke. This is indeed a testimony about the transformational effect of having an efficacious government, a government that is centered on people's interests. Elections have real-life damaging and enhancing consequences. I'm glad Ndi Igbo chose the best. Please watch this video.
Into clean energy and provide Abia with renewable energy from biogas. So, and this is a pilot program. So we want, instead of the waste, organic waste that we are disposing, we can turn them with this technology into energy, clean energy, and we'll be able to power a whole lot more places, particularly in the Omwai ring fence. Talking about the Omwai ring fence, I had reported earlier that our offer to EEDC had been accepted, and we are in the process of raising the funds to pay off EEDC. On the 24th of December, the Abia State Electricity Regulation Authority took over from the National Electricity Regulation Authority. The regulation, so everything about distribution, generation, and transmission are going to be regulated within the state. And the whole idea is to ensure energy sufficiency and independence in the state. Just like the Aba Power provides power for the Aba ring fence. I'm sure you would have been aware that some of the disasters that happened recently, that our state was not affected because a whole part of our power asset is within our authority. And that is the whole idea about acquiring the Omwa ring fence. I'm happy that we're making a lot of progress in that area. Now on health.